topic of discussion is time value of money. We will be solving the problems as well as important theory parts. Remember, the theory is as important as problems over here, because you will be able to solve any problem on time value of money if you follow this theory. Okay. So before that, download Adda 24/7 on your mobile. Also join our Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. On this app, you will get all the study material, live video lectures, live classes, plus various other materials, test series on banking as well as non-banking exams, all related to government exams. Okay, so download it as fast as you can. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet, right? So in education, it's very tough to study always, because you yourself might have experienced it, but the fruits which you get are sweet throughout your life. Same is in CAIIB also. If you part with some time, take some stress for this time being, you'll learn you'll have the fruits throughout your life, which are sweet. Okay. We are going on with a batch of ABM BFM retail. It has started from March 28, 6 am to 8 am. June 22 is the target exam. So definitely join it as fast as you can. It's totally English batch. Okay. We are the official partners of IIBF now. We have joined with Macmillan as official partners. We are bigger and better now. Remember this. So use this code Y432. Using this code, you will get the discount on each and every material. These classes, everything, I'll show you at the end. Okay, at the end of this session, how you can get it. But remember, Macmillan doesn't join hands with any Tom, Dick and Harry. Okay, so imagine how big we might be. So that's why you are at the right station. So let's start with the topic, time value of money. What do you mean by time value of money? Time value of money means basically, suppose if you are having 100 rupees, the same thing which you can buy today with 100 rupees, can you buy the same thing after 10 years, 15 years? No. Why? Because the value of that money depreciates. Why? Because of inflation, right? So that is the meaning of time value of money. As the value of the money depreciates, that is known as time value of money. Money available at the present time is worth more than the same amount in the future due to potential earning capacity, right? Means if I tell you I'll give you 1 lakh rupees today or 1 lakh rupees after 5 years, you will definitely prefer it today. Because why? This 1 lakh rupees which you receive today, you can invest it somewhere and make roughly 2 lakh rupees in 5 years, right? So that is the meaning of this basic logic of this time value of money. Money at present is better than the money in future, right? So present value, future value. Let's see this example, 0 to 3 years. Option A, I give 10,000 over here, then 10,000 plus interest in 3 years, right? But if I get 10,000 at the end, presently the value is lesser than this, lesser by this interest amount, isn't it? So that's why people always prefer the money at present. That's also Keynes theory which I taught you, right? In module A. Follow that. Regularly follow my lectures on this at this time. Okay. The cash flow is worth in future is worth less than the similar cash flow today. Why? Why does this time value time value depreciates? People prefer present consumption to future consumption. This is basically Keynes theory. People would have to be offered more in future to give up the present consumption. Means if I tell you I'll give you 1 lakh now or I'll give you 1 lakh in the future, you will definitely prefer 1 lakh now. If I want to give you something in future, I'll have to give you more than 1 lakh, isn't it? You will calculate the interest of 1 lakh in your mind, and then you will quote for the next 5 years. Okay. So if I have to give something for the future, I'll have to give more than what is the present value, isn't it? Due to inflation, the value of the money or currency depreciates and erodes over the period of time. This happens due to inflation. The greater the inflation, the greater is the erosion in the value of the rupee in future. Means what? Erosion of value means same thing which I told you. The something which I can buy with rupees 100 today, I cannot buy with rupees 100 after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Okay. Due to uncertainty of receiving the cash flow in future, the value of the cash flow in future reduces further. Means, see here, this logic, first logic is this time value of money, means erosion, and second is, if I tell you I'll give you 1 lakh rupees after 5 years, then of course that value of 1 lakh, time value, inflation, everything is there, but you will always have a risk that I may not give 1 lakh after 5 years, isn't it? Because I am saying I'll give you, but what is the guarantee? But if I give you 1 lakh now, what does it mean? You are having that cash in your hands. So 2 points occur due to for money which is due in future. One is inflation, second is uncertainty. Okay. Now what is the difference between present and future value? Whenever you go for future, it's compounding. Whenever you come for present, it's discounting. You go from present to future, it's compounding. You come from future to present, it's discounting. Always remember, these two are opposite to each other. Okay. Now this slide is your Bhagavad Gita or your religious book for any time value of money. Okay. Any problem based on time value of money is basically this. There can't be any problem on time value of money other than this slide. So basically remember, time value of money is divided into two parts, lump sum and annuity. Lump sum or one stroke we call it. Lump sum means one time, FD. I'll deposit it now and you will get some amount in future based on the rate of interest and the period. Okay. Second is annuity. I'll deposit like RD, SIP in mutual funds. I'll deposit some amount going on every regular period and then I'll get some amount in future. Now important part about annuity is, remember, always remember, there are three qualities of annuity which should be satisfied. Okay. So that quality number one is it should have a regular frequency of payment. Number one means if I am making an RD, I must make it every month. Only then it's called as RD. Number one. Number two, the amount should be fixed. Means the RD installment which I am paying should be fixed every month. It shouldn't happen this month I am paying 800, next month I am paying 2000, next month I am paying 3000. No. Amount should be fixed for each period, each frequency. And the third point is, I must know the end date of this annuity. Means I am making this RD for 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, I must know it. So remember, the three qualities of annuity are which are required essentially are period, total end period, second frequency, and amount at each frequency. Everything should be satisfied, only then it's called as annuity. Can you call this electricity bill as annuity? No. Of course you pay it for every month, but you don't know the amount, right? So that's why it's not annuity. So again, coming back to our topic, annuity will be again of two types. I've already taken this in one of my earlier lectures. Okay, annuity will be of two types, due and ordinary. Due means at the beginning of the period. Means whenever I give you, suppose I'll give you this example over here. Suppose if I pay you 1000 rupees at the beginning of the month, or 1000 rupees at the end of the month, which one is beneficial? At the beginning of the month to the receiver, right? Because that 1000 rupees he will be able to invest for 1 month and earn something, at least 10 rupees, isn't it? So that is the meaning of due. Always due is preferred by the receiver and ordinary is preferred by the giver. Okay. So due is at the beginning, ordinary is at the end. So similarly the formula is changed then. All these are the four formulas for ordinary and due. First formula, always remember, never ever remember all the formulae. Only remember one formula of ordinary future value. That's it. That is present value into 1 plus r raised to n minus 1, the whole upon r. Remember this formula only. Present value into 1 plus r raised to n minus 1, the whole upon r. Then you will say, okay, if ordinary future value is this, then what is ordinary present? I'll remember only this. So it's very simple. Present value is always future upon 1 plus r raised to n. So this formula upon 1 plus r raised to n. See here. Same formula repeated over here. only 1 plus r raised to n is multiplied in the denominator. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so that's why I say remember only one formula. Now you got this future and present value formula for ordinary. Keep it very simple. Now do is what? Just multiply this with 1 plus r. Same formula you see, and just multiply it with 1 plus r. That's it. Okay. So these are the 4 formulas. I've already taken these also in the live classes. I explained these in deep. Okay. Now if r is this period is suppose quarterly, then this r is to be divided by 4, and n is to be multiplied by 4. If this payment is half yearly, then r is to be divided by 2, and n is to be multiplied by 2. And this formula is for EMI. Again I would say don't remember this formula. Remember only this future value formulas, because from future value formula you can derive the formula for present value. And look at this formula now, both these. If you see, you will see that this formula is just the reverse of present value formula. Just the reverse. See this. P into r into 1 plus r raised to n. See this in the numerator. And denominator 1 plus r raised to n minus 1. Isn't it? So it is just the reverse. So everyone got this? Type yes. Type yes if everyone has understood this. Type yes. Yes, 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 yes. Everyone should type yes. Okay. Then only I'll go ahead. Type yes. Yes, everyone is typing. Remember only this future value formula. Never remember all the formulae. Otherwise you'll, are you a computer? No, you can't remember everything. Right? We are human beings. Okay. So this r is rate of interest. N is period over here. Okay. Don't take this monthly, because this is for monthly payment, but you can take this r as rate of interest. Okay. So one sec, I'll cancel this. R is rate of interest over here only, and n is period. And what do we do? If we have to take quarterly, then divide r by 4 and multiply n by 4. The number by which you divide r, the same number you will multiply n also. Okay. Got this point everyone? Move on. Okay. Now we'll come to the problems. Okay. The problems. The population of a town 3 years ago was 25,000. If the population in these 3 years has increased at a rate of 8% respectively, find the present population. Now firstly you will have to understand whether this problem is of lump sum or annuity. This is what you have to understand first. Lump sum or annuity. So the population was 25,000 3 years ago. Is it given that it is increasing? Some people are coming, 2,000 people are coming every year? No. So this problem is of what? Type here. Type in the comment section. Type fast. Is it in the lump sum or is it annuity? Type fast. Lump sum, annuity, lump sum, annuity. Lump sum, annuity. Which one? So the answer is lump sum. Okay. Now the problem is lump sum. So the formula is easy now. A equals to P into 1 plus R raised to N. Isn't it? So what is this? The population 3 years ago was 25,000. So 25,000 is what? A or P? 3 years ago. Always remember, whichever is earlier is P. Whichever is later is A. Okay. So here P will be what? 25,000. Here A we have to find out. Present for population. Always remember the later one is A. N is known, R is known. So simply do the calculations. Try it yourself. Okay. Put it in the formula. P into 1 plus R raised to N. 25,000 into 1 plus R is 8% raised to 8 means 0.08 it will be. It's annual. No division concept. Here it's annual, right? So 1 plus 0.08 raised to 3. Do it fast, do it fast, do it fast. I am waiting. I'll give you 10 seconds. I'll give you 10 seconds. You have to solve it yourself. Let me see who comes first. See here. If you do it that fast today, only then you'll be able to do it in the exam. Otherwise in the exam nobody will come to help you. You have to try it yourself. Do it fast. Let me see who does it fast. Let me see who can get a correct answer. Let me see who can get a correct answer. Okay. Shall I show you now? 10 seconds are gone. Shall I show you now? Everyone. Yes, some are trying. Everyone must try. Okay. So the answer is this. P into 1 plus R the whole raised to n. P is 25,000. R is 0.08. So 1.08 raised to 3. Okay. 1.08 raised to 3. What was the answer? Anyone? 1.08 raised to 3. So that answer, this, correct. So 25,000 into that equals to, it becomes 31,493. Who has got this correct answer? Yes, many of you. Many of you have typed already. 31,493. Roughly it can be here. Some might have got 31,500. Some might have got 31,400. Some might have got 31,550. That's okay. 31,000 and near to 500. Remember, 31,000 and near to 500. That is what is required. In CAIIB, here, how many points you, after the point, how many digits you take, it depends on that. Okay. So done with this. Everyone clear? Type yes, 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 yes. Type yes in the comment section. Only then I'll move ahead, so that I must feel that you have understood this. Okay. Next. Effective rate of interest. This question comes in every CAIIB exam. ROI on FD 8% compounding quarterly. Find the effective rate of interest. Means this 8% is annual rate and we are compounding it quarterly. This question you will see in every exam. Okay, try it now. How will you do it? Same formula. This 1 plus R raised to n. 1.08 raised to, now it is what here, quarterly. Now so this rule applies now. This rule. Quarterly means n multiplied by 4, R divided by 4. Okay. So it is 1 plus 0.02. 1 plus 0.02. Why 0.02? 8% compounding quarterly. Quarterly means divided by 4. So it is 2%. 2% means what? 2%. Percent means divided by 100. So 2 upon 100. 0.02. 1 plus 0.02. Right? Got this point, everyone? Raised to n. N is what? 1 year. Here. Is there anything given regarding the year? No. But you have to find the effective rate of interest. Effective rate of interest is to be found out for yearly, means for the year. And this is to be found out when we are compounding it quarterly. That's why n equals to 1 in the initial problem. N equals to 1 in the initial problem. But we are compounding it quarterly. So what happens now? N equals to 1 becomes the number by which I divide R, same number I will be multiplying n. Right? So n equals to 1 into 4. So it becomes 4. So now you got 1.02 the whole raised to 4. 1.02 the whole raised to 4. Try it yourself. Has everyone got this answer? This answer may be wrong. I may be wrong. Try it yourself. Let me see. You do it on the calci. 1.02 raised to 4. How to do? Do you know it? Many of you might not be knowing. 1.02 into equal to go on typing equal to up to what? Up to the time you get the 5 number on the right side of your black calci. Okay, the black calci which we use, that general calci, right? So 5 number we should get on the right side. Check the right side of your screen of the calci. You must get 5 number. Always you must get 1 number bigger than what we want. Okay, so the answer is correct. 1.0824. Yes, everyone is typing. Everyone should type. Okay. Many of you are doing it, but some of you are not attentive. So do it yourself. Take the calci in your hands. You have to practice. I don't have to give the exam. You have to give the exam. Okay. So what is the effective rate now? See here, 8% is annual. So what is the effective rate? It should be this. Forget this 1 now. Whatever you got over here, multiply this by 100. So it is 0.0824 into 100. It is 8.24. That is the effective rate. Means what is happening over here? Annually 8%. But if I compound it quarterly, I am getting extra 0.24%. Right? Because of this quarterly compounding. I on I. Interest on interest. Isn't it? Next. Now these are combined problems. This is not one problem. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 problems are there here. Okay. Let's solve one by one each. Okay. Amount equals to 50,000. Received after 3 years. Find today's value. Rate of interest equals to 8%. Now everyone will type whether this problem is of lump sum or this problem is of annuity. Type lump sum annuity, lump sum annuity. Please type everyone in the comment section. I must be able to see these comment sections, okay, so that I feel that you are attentive, because otherwise me and you are wasting our time if you are not attentive. Do it yourself, okay. So 50,000, is this lump sum or annuity problem? Received, amount received after 3 years. This is what amount is received at the end of the 3 years. And is anything given that it is invested on a yearly basis? Nothing. So that's why it is lump sum. And what is this 50,000 now? Is it A or P? Type A or P. Everyone, type A or P. Is 50,000 A or P? This, as per this formula. Is this A or P 50,000? Type, everyone should type. 50,000 is A or P? Tell me. 50,000 is A or P? Tell me. Fast, 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 fast. Yes, 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 yes. Everyone is getting it. So it is A, because after anything which is received at the end is A. Anything which is at the beginning is P. So A is given, we have to find P. Okay. So see, this is 50,000 equals to P into 1 plus 0.08 raised to 3. Why 0.08? ROI is 8%. Is it given quarterly or something? No. Take it annually only. N 3 years. So 1.08 raised to 3. What is 1.08 raised to 3? 1.26. So 50,000 equals to P into 1.26. I want P. Take 1.26 on the other side. So 50,000 upon 1.26. It is 39,680. This is your answer. It should be P equals to 39,680. Got this point? Second, 5,000 invested every half year end for 3 years. So now they tell me this problem. Is this lump sum or annuity? 5,000 invested every half year end. Lump sum or annuity? Firstly tell me that. Lump sum or annuity? Lump sum annuity. Yeah, somebody is typing lump sum. Is this lump sum? No. This is, type everyone. Yes, many of you are typing correct. Annuity. It is annuity because every, it's given every. And now tell me, annuity due or ordinary annuity? Annuity due or ordinary annuity? See here, what is given? End. End means, yes, end means, yes, 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 yes. End means due or ordinary? End means ordinary. Okay. Due is always beginning. Always remember, B and D are closer to each other. Beginning, A, B, C, D. B is closer to D. So beginning will be due and remaining will be ordinary. Okay, got this point? So it's easy now. Once you have got this point, then the formula is what? Simple. Future value of ordinary equals to, I want future value, isn't it? Future value ordinary equals to 5,000 P into 1 plus R the whole raised to N minus 1 upon R. Isn't it? So what is this? Half year. Half year. Half year means this R will be divided by 2, right? See that slide again, right? R will be divided by 2. I'll show you. Should I show you that? See this. Half year, R divided by 2, N multiplied by 2. Quarterly, R upon 4, N into 4. Okay. So, see this. So, half year, R upon 2. So, it is 0.04 raised to N. N multiplied by 2. So, N was over here for 3 years. Okay. 3 to the 6. So, 6 over here. 1 plus R raised to N minus 1 the whole upon R. So, I'll directly have written the final answer 5,000 into 6.63. It is 33,164. Okay. 33,164. Now, future value due. 5,000 invested every beginning of the half year for 3 years at 8%. Find the future value. See here. Again, you can use this formula, which this future value due, this P into 1 plus R raised to N minus 1 upon R into 1 plus R. You can use this formula. But why using this now? You have already solved 80% of the problem. This and this, no difference. Only multiply whatever you have got over here by 1 plus R. Isn't it? So that's what we are doing over here. See here, future due equals to, this is future ordinary into 1 plus r. So 1 plus r is 1.04. So 33,164 into 1.04. But in exam, if only one question is asked, then you'll have to solve this and then multiply with by 1.04. So you'll get 34,492. So future ordinary is 34,492. Now what is the question next? Two are over here. The third is, what is the present value in all the above cases? In this case, present value we have just found out. This P is present value. So that is done. First problem is done. Second is what? We want P now. So what is the formula for P? P equals to, just now I told you, future upon 1 plus r raised to n. Isn't it? Future upon 1 plus r raised to n. So F ordinary I've got it. 33,164 upon 1.04 the whole raised to 6. Right? So do these calculations, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Let me see. Type whether you are getting this answer or somewhat here or there. Let me see. Type. Everyone must do this problem. Okay. 33,164 upon 1.04 raised to 6. First find 1.04 raised to 6 separately and then divide this 33,164 by it. Okay. So do it fast. What is the answer you are getting? Correct? Yes, yes. 26,210. Somebody is getting 210. Somebody is getting 250. That's okay. Anything is okay. 26,2 is important. Here, these two digits can change somewhat depending on the points you take. Okay. Next, present due. Okay. So present ordinary we did it. Present due. So what is the formula for that? See this, invested this, due now. So present value is cases, present due, future due, same formula, no change. Present due, future due upon 1 plus r raised to n. So just divide 34,492 by 1.04 raised to 6. This figure you have already got it. Just put the value and you will get this answer 27,259. Somebody might get it 27,300, 27,200, something like that. It's okay. But everyone must try. Try it yourself now. Let me see. See here, only I have seen almost 10 to 15% students are trying. Others are just sitting. That is not the way it is required. Okay, because it's not for me. It's for you, right? Because in the exam you have to solve it. Do it yourself. Take the calci in your hand. Okay, and try it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Yes. Now everybody is typing. Everybody, right? So 27,259. This is the best thing. Okay. Always practice, practice, and practice. There is no other solution to practice. Okay. And practice yourself. There is no shortcut to success in your life. Remember. Okay. So thanks for watching. I would again suggest join our live classes. These ones which we are running, right? ABM BFM retail. This 28th March, it's already started 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Now you'll say, okay, the fees, about the fees part. Remember, see this fees is, we are offering this discount Y432. Use this code. Okay. How to get this discount? See this. I'll show you over here. Go to Adda 24/7. I've just typed Adda 24/7 and I've got this app, this site over here. So once I get this, go to the first page. Banking and insurance, JAIIB, CAIIB, SSC, railways, all this. Here, what did I say? It's not only for banking, it's for everything. Okay. So JAIIB, CAIIB done. Click on JAIIB, CAIIB, JAIIB, CAIIB. Click on CAIIB. Now click on CAIIB. You get all these batches. See, 3 batches are in my face. Okay. This first batch, ABM BFM retail plus Macmillan books. This second batch, ABM BFM plus Macmillan books. No retail over here. And third, ABM BFM retail together but no Macmillan books. So go for this maximum batch only. You'll say fees is high. Okay, I'll show you how to take the discount. It's that simple. Click on this. Clicked. So click, you see over here, view offers, right? Have you seen it? View offers. See this, view offers over here. Okay. View offers. So now you are seeing this fees 22,799. Enter this coupon code Y432, right? This is your coupon code. Remember, this code is your key to success. Okay, everybody type this coupon code in the comment section. Let me see. You must remember this coupon code. Tell your friends also. Share on the social media also. Okay. So Y432. Apply this. Once you apply this, see the what happens. See this. 22,799 has reduced to 17,555. Reduced by 17,555. And what is the fee is now? 5243. Now 5243. What are you getting in this? 3 Macmillan books. ABM, BFM retail. Plus live classes, plus test, plus question bank, everything in these fees. And these fees, once you complete CAIIB, in how many months will you recover? Roughly your increment is 1300, right? 2 increments you get if you are at junior level, right? And even if at a senior level, you get the increment of around 1200, okay, or 1300, roughly same figure. So 13 4 the 52. In 4 months you recover everything, and remaining every increment is your bonus. All increments throughout the lifetime is your bonus. Okay, so go for it. It's an investment for lifetime. I'll take a leave now and see you tomorrow with another topic. Also join the live classes. That's what is important. Okay, bye from my side.